Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online geometry class. Today, we are going to continue lesson number 11, area and its boundary. Let's start. Today, we are going to find area and perimeter using different activities. Share the land. This is Nasrina. She is a farmer. This is her land and these are 3 trees in her land. Whereas these 3 are her children. Chumki, Jumri and Imran. Nasrina wants to divide her land equally among her 3 children. She wants to divide the land in such a way that her each child gets 1 tree. Children, help Nasrina to divide her land equally among 3 children so that each child gets 1 tree. Color each child's piece of land in different colors. Length of the land is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 meters. Width of the land is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 meters. Area of the land is length multiplied by breadth, that is 10 multiplied by 9. 10 nines is 90. So the area of the land is 90 square meters, that is 90 boxes. This land consists of total 90 boxes. Nasrina wants to divide her land equally among her 3 children such that each child gets 1 tree. Each child's share is 90 boxes divided by 3, that is 30 boxes. So each child will get 30 boxes. The division of Nasrina's land can be done as shown in the figure. This yellow part of land consisting of 30 boxes with 1 tree is given to Chumki. This pink part of the land consisting of this 30 boxes with 1 tree is given to Jumri. And this blue part of the land consisting of another 30 boxes with 1 tree is given to Imran. If each square of Nasrina's land is equal to 1 square meter, how much land will each of her children get? We have already found out that Nasrina's each child will get 30 boxes, that is 30 square meters of land. Now, her 3 children, Chumki, Jumri and Imran, need wires to cover their part of the land with a fence. Now, the question is, who out of these 3 children will need the longest wire for fencing? First, let us find how much wire Chumki, Jumri and Imran needs. For that, we have to find the perimeter of the land owned by all the 3 children. Perimeter of Chumki's land is 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus 11 gives us 28 meters. Perimeter of Jhumri's land is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus 11 gives us 28 meters. So perimeter of Jhumri's land is 28 meters. Perimeter of Imran's land is 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 9 gives us 26 meters. So perimeter of Imran's land is 26 meters. From here we can see that Chumki and Jhumri will need longest wire of 28 meters for fencing. Next question is, how much wire in all will the three need? Total length of the wire needed by all three children is 28 meters plus 28 meters plus 26 meters gives 82 meters. So total 82 meters of wire will be needed by three children. Practice time. Look at the table given here. If you were asked to write the area of all these objects, then which column would you choose? Mark a tick mark. Say children, small things are measured in centimeters, big things are measured in meters, whereas distances are measured in kilometers. First one, length of an handkerchief is measured in centimeter. So, its area is measured in square centimeter. Length of a sari is measured in meters. So, area of a sari is measured in square meters. Length of page of your book is measured in centimeter. So, its area is measured in square centimeter. Length of the school land is measured in meters. So its area is measured in square meters. Length of land of a city is measured in kilometers because a city is a big place. So area of land of a city is measured in square kilometers. Door of a classroom is measured in meters. So the area of door is measured in square meters. Length of a chair seat is measured in centimeters. So its area is measured in square centimeters. Length and width of the blackboard is measured in meters. So the area of blackboard is measured in square meters. Length and width of an Indian flag is measured in centimeters. So area of an Indian flag is measured in square centimeters. Lastly, land over which a river flows. This land is bigger. So it is measured in kilometers. That is kilometers of land. So the area of this land over which the river flows is measured in square kilometers. Now exercise B. Draw a square of 9 square centimeter. Write A on it. See children, we have to draw a square and the unit given here is square centimeter. Children, area is always measured in square centimeter. So here we have to draw a square whose area is 9 square centimeter. So if we take sides of square as 3 centimeter, that is length 3 and breadth or width also 3, then only area works out to be 9 square centimeter. So draw a square of length and width 3 centimeter and name it as A. Next, draw another square with double the side of square A and write B on it. So we will draw a square named B with length and width as double of square A. That is double of 3, 6 centimeter. First one, the perimeter of square A is. Perimeter is given as length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Or for square, we can also write perimeter as 4 times side. And the side is 3 centimeters. So 4 times 3 we get as 12. Or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 also gives us 12 centimeters. The side of square B is 6 centimeter. The area of square B is, area is side multiplied by side, that is 6. 6 r is 36 square centimeter. Fourth one, the area of square B is dash times the area of square A. See children, area of square A is given as 9 square centimeter. Area of square B we have found out it is 36 square centimeter. So area of square B is 4 times the area of square A. So when the side of the square becomes double, the area becomes 4 times. Fifth one, the perimeter of square B is. Perimeter of a square is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Or for square we can also write as 4 times side. That is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 4 times. Gives us 24 square centimeter. Sixth one, the perimeter of square B is dash times the perimeter of square A. Children, we have seen that perimeter of square A is 12 centimeters and perimeter of square B is 24 centimeters. So the perimeter of square B is 2 times the perimeter of square A. From this we can conclude that when the length and width, that is sides of a square, becomes double, the area of that square becomes 4 times. But the perimeter of that square becomes only 2 times. Thread play. A grid is given whose length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Children, this activity you can perform in your house also. Here I too have performed this activity in my house. Take a thread 15 centimeters long. Make different shapes by joining ends of the thread on this given grid sheet. Say children, I have made 6 different shapes using the same red thread of length 15 centimeters. So, the perimeter of all these 6 shapes is 15 centimeters only. Children, do you remember? A whole box is counted as 1. More than half box is also counted as 1. Less than half box is ignored. And 2 half boxes make one full box. Now, let us find the area of shape A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this half box. So area of shape A is 11.5 square centimeter. The area of shape B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and this half box. So area of shape B is 13.5 square centimeter. Area of shape C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 complete boxes. This half and this half makes one full box, whereas this half and this half also makes one full box. And this half remains half only. So 10 complete boxes plus 4 half boxes, that is 2 full boxes, becomes 12. 10 plus 2, 12 plus half box gives area of shape C as 12.5 square centimeter. Exact area of shape D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 complete boxes plus these 3 boxes make 2 complete box plus these 3 boxes also make 2 complete box plus 1 this box, that is 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 14 square centimeter. So area of shape D is 14 square centimeter. Area of shape E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 complete boxes plus 6 half boxes, that is 3 full boxes plus this 6 half boxes, that is again 3 full boxes, that is 6 plus 3 plus 3 gives 12 square centimeter. So the area of shape E is 12 square centimeter. And similarly, area of shape F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 square centimeter. Out of all these 6 shapes, which shape has the biggest area and how much? Shape F has the biggest area of 16 square centimeter. What is the perimeter of shape F? Children, as we have used a red thread of 15 centimeter to make shape F, so the perimeter of shape F is 15 centimeters. Next one, out of all these 6 shapes, which shape has the smallest area and how much? Answer is shape A has the smallest area of 11.5 square centimeters. What is its perimeter? Its perimeter is also 15 centimeter. as shape A is also made from a red thread of length 15 centimeters. Hope to meet you in next online geometry class. Thank you. Take care.